Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the Soni Squad. Here we are with another baby food recipe for my little sister Aria. And today we have some carrots, some pumpkin and some peas. And before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our videos when we post. And like this video if you like it. Wow, Mum, this looks so colourful. But when I'm looking at the plate, it looks so different. Was this the same as last time?
No, last time we had broccoli instead of peas.
Oh, yeah.
And this time we have pumpkin. Remember what did we have last time?
Oh, was it apple?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So this time we're going to use pumpkin, carrots and small amount of peas.
Why small amount?
Because babies, they can get constipated.
Oh, okay.
So we're just going to introduce.
And isn't that new for her?
Yes, so she's going to have them for first time. Let's see.
Okay. Let's get started. But the process is the same as last time. First we have to boil them. First we have to wash them. And then we have to boil them. And then we have to blend them. So we've already washed them. And now we're just going to start boiling them. So now I'm just going to wait for the vegetables to boil until they are soft. Now I'm just going to pop the lid on. And now we're just going to wait. So all the vegetables are finally boiled and they're all nice and soft, and now it's time to blend them. Now we've put the vegetables in the blender and now we're just going to blend them until they become puree. So right now Aria is having a little nap and Aria's food is ready. It is all nice and smooth, and once Aria has woken up from her nap, we'll show you how we feed her. So now Aria is all awake and she's nice and happy. And also guys, can you see what's behind me? It's Aria's play mat. And comment down below if you want to see Aria's playtime video. Do you want to make a playtime video? And also, this is a baby pouch, and we take this almost everywhere in Aria's baby bag, and it's also portable. So it has this nice mermaid scales on it, and it's blue and purple. And then when you open it up, this is so cute, guys. There's a little baby spoon in it, and also it's nice and soft, so it doesn't hurt the baby's mouth. And also, it comes with a bib attached to the zipper. So if she does get all messy, it can easily wipe off. And this is so cute, guys, because you can just easily put it back in, and it's also very stylish. Look how cute it is. And we take this everywhere in the baby bag. And Aria loves it as well. And I think Aria is now hungry. Say hi, Millen. Hi. I think Aria is now hungry. So guys, I really want to use this bib. So this is cute, but let's take this one off and use this one instead. So Aria, let's take this bib off. And then let's put on the nice cute one. Let's zip up the zipper. Oh, no you can't. Oops. Oh, where are you going, Aria? Let's put this on. And it's a perfect size for her as well. Look how cute she looks. Now, do you want to eat? She's moving it around her mouth. This is another really cool thing about this baby pouch is if she does drop some food, it goes into the zipper area so her clothes don't get dirty. And now I'm going to put her down and I'm going to start feeding her. So let's put her here because I think this is the comfortable spot. Okay, and we also have this extra place so you can hang it onto things. Okay, are you ready to eat? She's excited. Here's her food. And this spoon is also really bendy so it doesn't get hard in her mouth. So are you ready to eat? Are you ready? Looks like she is. Okay, let's go into this one. Say, ah! Hopefully she doesn't... She's still getting used to this. Is it good? Is it good? Say, ah. She's like, look at me, guys. She's so cute, aren't you? Surprisingly, she's not as messy. Because if she drops something, I just put it back on the spoon. Oh. Is it yummy? And guys, she's also starting to grow some teeth, so she's teething as well. So she might bite the spoon a little bit. Don't you? So I'm just going to continue feeding Aria because she can't wait. And I'm pretty sure if I don't feed her, she's going to get pretty upset. So I'm going to finish feeding her and I'll see you guys next time with a different video. Maybe to see what's in her bag or to see how she plays on her playmat. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Bye!